पुरुषोत्तम, कैसा है?
काट दिया चूजे।
ये क्या तरीका है बात करने का?
How dare you sit on my seat? Don't you know this is mine and who I am?
Oh, hello. Is there any name on the seat? Who gives you the right to clean this, huh?
Here. Now, here's my name written on the seat and now on your face too.
Silence everyone! Come here both of you! This is what you do when there is no teacher around? You shameless creatures! These are the ethics you have got! Get out of the class right now!
Mom, but ma'am, it was he started first.
No ma'am, that seat is mine.
But ma'am, the seat was occupied to me first.
I sit there any
I
day.
don't want to listen to any of the excuses from both of you. Get out!
Sorry ma'am.
Get out!
बैग तो लेने दो।
कोई बैग नहीं लेने कोई तरीका है किसी से बात करने का चलो बाहर
This is a story of two lives, a girl and a boy, both of same school, same class. This is neither a romantic story nor a humorous one. Instead, a story which everyone must know, a sad story of the devastating lives. After the school is over, Purushottam walks slowly towards his house. He stops at a marketplace and sits down. When the sun falls down, he realizes it's time to go home.
कहाँ जाना है? तुझे पता भी है टाइम क्या हो रहा है? ये कोई टाइम होता है कहाँ जाने का?
अब हूँ मैं माँ।
और ये क्या हालत बना रखी है तूने? चल जाओ ऊपर। ये सब तुम्हारे नाक में ऐसा नतीजा है। बिगाड़ दिया ना उसने लड़के को। घर से छुट्टी हो ना बेटे को। किसी काम के लिए हो तुम माँ बेटे।
What a miserable life I had. It's better to die than to live like this. This is like hell. I just want to get out of this place, away from this mountain. I just wish that I had parents who loved and cared for me and for each other too.
In the same class studies a girl, Anamika. She is pretty shy and a quiet girl. Never talks, opens to anybody. Always sitting alone in the corner of the class.
अनामिका को भी बुला लो।
बुला दो।
मैं लेकर आती हूँ Hey Anamika, hi. Come, why do you have lunch with us? It's break time now. Thanks, yaar. I cannot. I have some work to do. Oh, come on. It's break to free now. You can do this at home. Come now. Come.
Listen, seriously, I won't get time at home. I have to do it now only. I'm sorry.
The girl leaves Anamika with her work. After a while, the school gets over. Students head towards their home. Parents eagerly waiting for them. Whilst Anamika passes by them slowly, she suddenly stops hearing someone call her name. She turns around and finds someone, her classmate, coming towards her.
ओए, हाँ, पार्टी करा क्या? दारू पार्टी। आजा आजा, आजा।
और कितना हो गया तेरा?
नहीं यार, केमिस्ट्री में आधा ही हुआ है।
मेरा तो फिजिक्स ही चल रहा है यार।
अच्छा, ऐसे क्या हो?
पता नहीं यार, इतना अकेली क्यों रहती है?
क्या? मुझे क्या पता? बस घंटे, ये ना चलो सब, बाय।
Bye. Hey Anamika,
Hey, Savan.
can I walk with you?
But,
It's okay, yaar. I'm not going to kidnap you.
okay.
Didn't your parents come to pick you up?
No, my father is at work and my mother doesn't get time from her household chores.
So what do you do when you reach home? Do you play or study?
My father doesn't allow me to go out of the house, so I help my mom with the daily chores and clean the house.
Don't you take some rest after school? I mean, isn't it very tiring to work continuously?
My father gets really angry if he sees me on the bed.
Why don't you tell him that you're tired and don't want to work now?
No, yaar, I cannot. And please, I don't want to talk about this anymore. Let me go and bye.
Where were you, dear? What took you so long, huh? You know now, if you'll not help me with the daily course, your dad will scream at both of us and will create unnecessary tension in the house. Where were you?
Anamika, come here, you moron!
Yes, father. What happened?
Don't you have any brains, you fool? Look what you have done. Who will pay for this?
But father, I'm sorry. I didn't know this would happen. If I had known, I would never done such a mistake. I'm sorry.
Sorry, my fool. Saying sorry won't undo what you have done.
I'm sorry.
Now don't stand here. Go away from here. Go and clean the house. If anything goes wrong again or anything breaks now, I will break you. Go away.
Yesterday you were saved by the teacher. Or else I've heard broken already, you bastard.
How dare you!
Meanwhile, Savan saw Anamika with red eyes and soaring face. Marks of beating clearly visible on her face. Savan was also annoyed by daily fights of Purushottam with every other guy in the class. While Savan has deep concerns for Anamika, he completely hates Purushottam. One day, while walking in the corridor with his friends, he sees Purushottam helping two juniors, leaving them very happy afterwards. After entering the class, he also sees Anamika painting, and for a change, she appears happy.
This life is no good. Nothing in this world will make me laugh. I'm a burden to this world. I'm a burden to my fate. I don't deserve to live. It's better to die.
दौलतमंद शरीक होते हैं और जितने बड़ी वो बदमाश।
आपके आने का मतलब?
पुलिस के आने का मतलब खतरा और जाने का मतलब भी खतरा होता है।
हमें तो खतरों से खेलने का बड़ा शौक है। वैसे आप क्या क्या शौक रखती हैं? नहीं, मेरा कहने का मतलब।
क्या हुआ बेटा? Dad, do you know a boy from our class, Purushottam, committed suicide yesterday?
How?
I heard his parents fought every day and brought their frustration on him. He was so fed up that he chose death over life. Now I'm worried about a girl in her class, Anamika. She has same problem at her home. Her father abuses her, beats her. She's like a maid to them. आप एक काउंसलर हैं ना? क्या आप हमारी मदद करेंगे? Today I saw scars and marks of beating on her face. Very brutal ones. I'm scared she does not end up doing the same.
This seems very horrible, my son. I think we should help her. We'll meet her parents. In fact, tomorrow is Saturday. We'll meet them tomorrow itself. Okay?
Sure, Dad.
Three.
Yes?
Hello, Kumar uncle. I'm Savan, Anamika's friend, and he's my father.
Hello, sir. Pleased to meet you. Come in. One.
Come in. Take your seat, sir.
Uncle, where is Anamika?
She must be in her room.
Can I go? Thank you, uncle.
Take your seat, sir.
Thank you. Hi, Anamika.
Savan, you here? But how did you get in? How did my father allow you?
I'm here with my father.
What? You brought your father too?
अरे छोड़ो ना, मैंने सुना है तुम बहुत अच्छी पेंटिंग्स बनाती हो. चलो मुझे अपनी पेंटिंग्स दिखाओ.
So, how are things at office, Mr. Kumar?
Oh, you know about government service now. We do thrice the work what we actually pay for.
Yes, I can understand. Story of every working Indian.
By the way, I didn't know Anamika had friends and walked into her home.
Actually, Savan told us few things about Anamika. We thought it would be better to discuss it with you and your wife.
What did Anamika tell Savan?
We came to know that you do not treat Anamika well. You beat her for petty reasons, abuse her too.
What?
Please come, Mr. Kumar. Have a seat.
But what is the harm if you make our daughter do some household work and beat a little? That too when she commits a mistake.
Children have some rights. They have right to study, right to play. Live their life.
Way back to Purushottam's house, parents are seen crying, devastated on their son's corpse. It was late. Too late for them to realize their mistake. It wasn't a murder, it was a suicide. Here we heard two stories. Purushottam had to end his life. He thought dying would be easier than to live like this. He did not have to do like this. Maybe if his parents could realize what they were doing to their child, maybe he would not have committed suicide. Maybe. Though Anamika, the lucky child, she got her life back, her childhood. The society of India is full of ill mentality. We need to get rid of domestic violence. We also need to realize our roles against this social illness. We need those families to know their mistakes, its effects and consequences. We need to fight for good.